Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Monday said any decision regarding leadership change in the state Congress rests entirely with the party high command and asserted that he would abide by its final call. His remarks came a day after Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge stated that confusion over leadership existed only at the local level and not within the party's top leadership. Dismissing speculation, Siddaramaiah said the issue was being amplified largely by television channels. There will be no Sankranti or January 15 revolution. The High Command is supreme and all leaders must follow its decision, he said. The Chief Minister also brushed aside political interpretations of senior leader K.N. Rajanna's meeting with Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar, stating that legislators meeting the Deputy CM was routine and should not be politicized. He added that preparations for the next state budget had not yet begun. On welfare measures, Siddaramaiah said the Gruha Lakshmi assistance for February and March would be released, noting that payments had already been made for 23 months. Meanwhile, AICC General Secretary Sachin Pilot sought to play down talk of a power tussle, saying Siddaramaiah and Shivkumar were working like brothers. He expressed confidence that the Congress would return to power in 2028.